Hey class, how are you? Hope you're doing well. It's a weird time. I hope everybody's staying safe and using their hand sanitizer and, just being safe. There might be some recommendations coming from the college that say we're not going to meet face to face. We haven't heard anything for sure yet, but since we're an online class, we're just going to keep doing what we're doing. Um, Happy International Women's Day, a day late, and yay, it's Women's History Month. So, hopefully, you ended gender on a high note and thought about that. And this week, we're going to move into thinking about sexual orientation. So, you have a bunch of stuff that I'm asking you to do. You're going to watch the film Intersection about intersexed people, and that's probably new information for some of you. So, hopefully you learned some stuff and feel free to share that with people in your lives. Um, that's all for today. I look forward to seeing you on the forums. And next week is spring break, so there will be no message and no post. So you will take next week off, and I will see you 2 weeks from today. All right. So if you spring break and do something fun, just be safe. In lots of ways, be safe. Just be safe. I can't say, I can't be your human sexuality teacher without saying that to you. Please be safe, whatever you do. All right? Take care.